Welcome back to the channel. We got a painting session for you today. Going to be doing crawfish again. We done somewhat of the Christmas crawl last week, so we're coming to you with something that's very similar or along those same lines. So if you like the crawl patterns, you like seeing us do it, come join me. We're going to spray some paint. All right, we got a deep little end set up here. We're going to be also doing a wiggle wart. Two of my favorite this time of year. So this is going to be a kind of a takeoff of Firetiger Craw. All right, we're going to be incorporating those colors, and we're just going to be doing it a little bit different, kind of like we did the Christmas Crawl last week, where we're taking some unique colors and combining them in a little bit different way, leaving the tail kind of a portion of color of the belly. So here we go. Much like last week, we are going to start with a yellow. And again, not looking at any kind of complete coverage, just compressor's going, just not looking for any kind of complete coverage, just we'll come back to the orange. It's a little bit of a lime green, which is generally how that thing fades. Let's do a little bit of heat set here. Because, well, let's see, I can get to it. I'm going to come back with our orange. Okay, so we're going to lay our crawl pattern on now. We got a little bit of splatter to do. I'm just going to Stick with this. Let's see. We got black, strand good. And let's go with this side. What the hell's going on here? A little malfunction going on with this brush. Probably got some old dried paint in there. All right, let's see if we can line back up. Go ahead and make me some connecting marks so I can try to. I'm going to come from the tail. We'll come back in and do the belly. Now let's just go ahead and do it now. We don't have to do the wiggle wart on camera. I'm going to use the 3D printed stencil on that one anyway. So make sure we're in camera. We're good. Bring you down into the action a little bit. All right, I like this little flexible stuff for this. A little different. I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. We got to do some splatter. We're going to come back to our dark moss green. So we should get some good splatter. To give away my recipe, which, if you've been following my channel for any considerable time, you'll know that I'm not sensitive about that. What do you think? This is the new rendition of a Firetiger Craw. Got a deep little end from Norman. One of my favorite little baits. Wintertime, to me, is a really nice time. It's got a real tight wiggle. It's like the old wigglewort, cold water bassin'. Tell me what you guys think. Do we stay traditional, or do we just get funky and do some crazy stuff? So anyhow, I really like it. Hope you guys do. Thanks for following the channel. It's been a different kind of year this year, like any year. I hadn't been able to post as many videos as I like, and I know my real job is going to be extremely busy, as it generally is, but I hope I can get out in the paint shop. I think I'm a day late right now in posting this video, but we got one out there. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps the algorithm. And let me know what you think. Leave me comments in the comments below. That also helps tremendously. And until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.